Animal observation doesn't come more high-tech, in a more compact and lightweight form, than this Pixfra. The Draco multispectral binoculars. Let's unbox everything you get just as it comes from the factory. On the inside lid, get your phone and scan this to download the Pixfra app, because you can view and control the Draco remotely. The quality of the packaging won't be lost on you, and neither will the fact that they thought of and included everything. Now we'll come back to this Draco pouch, because this is the Draco. Through this lens you can see in thermal, and it's focusable, while this gives you focusable 4K colour digital day and night vision that can be amplified with an integrated IR illuminator. And there's a laser rangefinder, adjustable eye cups with eye flaps that fold out the way if you wear glasses, fingertip controls, a genius zoom and menu wheel, and that is the power button. All the paperwork you need includes a quick start guide, a thank you card, you're welcome Pixfra, a 3-year warranty card, legal information, and a lens cloth. But wait, there's more. You also get a padded neck strap with quick release buckles that attach to your Draco here. And this turns the Draco pouch, thanks to these 4 clips, into a 4-point harness. A USB-C cable, so you can charge it and download videos from here, which you can also use on the dual battery charger. Another pocket has 4 of these 18650 batteries, but you only need 2. And that is the Pixfra Draco multispectral binoculars unboxed. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.